Wildfires threaten communities in Los Angeles. In North Hills, Pearl Regacion has the details.
Thank you, Alan. The Los Angeles County Fire Department have been working around the clock this week on air and on ground, assisting in fire containment and rescuing distressed hikers. With temperatures between the 90s to 100s, bringing in hot air throughout Los Angeles County and large areas of dry brushes and dried out vegetation in mountain areas made this week the perfect environment for brush fires. The latest brush fire erupted yesterday at 3:38 p.m. near Lake Hodges and Pine Canyon. It spread to 10,500 acres with 0% containment today. According to the Los Angeles County Fire Department, the fire had already destroyed 3 structures upon their arrival, threatened to damage 5,420 more structures within the vicinity, and was named the Lake Fire. The Los Angeles County Fire Department, with their air operations, worked through the evening and early morning hours to contain the fire, protect lives, and save homes. At the press conference this morning, it was announced that the fire is expected to last several days, with more relief crews, bulldozers, and strike team of engines to be arriving to help in the management of this fire. There are now numerous road closures in that area, and residents have been mandated to evacuate their homes. Evacuation locations have been established. Those affected by the fire who are not able to shelter with family and friends can go to Castate Sports Complex or Highland High School. Earlier this week, the Los Angeles County Fire Department responded and successfully contained a 5-acre brush fire outbreak named the Peak Fire on the hillsides of 118 Freeway, just west of the Topanga Canyon Boulevard exit. And just this afternoon today, Los Angeles County Fire Department air operations rushed to assist in another wildfire that broke out on the steep hillsides in the city of Azusa near San Gabriel Canyon, named the Ranch Fire. It is initially began at approximately 10 acres, but rapidly spread to around 500 acres in minutes. Meanwhile, earlier this week, fire department officers assisted in 3 helicopter rescues of distressed hikers in separate emergency cases. A teenage hiker trapped under heavy brush in the Rancho Palos Verdes ravine, a hiker need to help at the Gabrielino Trail in the Angeles National Forest, and 3 adults with an infant is stranded at the 8,500 feet elevation level of Mount Baldy, which is the tallest mountain in Los Angeles. It certainly has been a very busy week for the men and women of the Los Angeles County Fire Department. As of the update of the COVID-19 situation here, the number of new cases increased today with 1,999 newly reported cases and 64 new deaths. The total number of confirmed cases in the county are 216,139 with 5,171 deaths and 1,481 hospitalizations, as announced today by the Los Angeles Public Health Department. Meanwhile, in the state of California, the number of new cases increased today with 7,085 newly reported cases and 160 new deaths. The total number of confirmed cases now in the state of California are 593,141 with 10,808 deaths and 5,236 hospitalizations, as announced today by the California Department of Public Health. In North Hills, California, Pearl Regacion, Eagle News. We live in interesting times.
Pearl, Los Angeles is known for being a beautiful city and county to live in. It looks like it comes with a price. What's your viewpoint on that?
Alan, I would say every part of the United States has some natural disaster that's home to that area. For Southern California, where I'm at, that is wildfires and sometimes earthquakes. In Los Angeles, we know when fire season is upon us, usually summertime, when temperatures are high and when winds can really pick up. That's when dry brushes become kindling. We have lived here for more than 10 years now and have seen our fair share of fires. But so far, at least for my family, it is still worth it for us to stay in the City of Angels.
Well, I tend to agree with you. I also live in the City of Angels. Now, Pearl, like what we mentioned earlier, we're going to learn about a banana pudding recipe. And without giving away your yummy banana flavored treat, I'd like to ask you about preparation. When it comes to your yummy banana flavored treat, how is it prepared? Give us one portion or one aspect of the preparation of it.
The banana must be very ripe.
Oh.
Right.
Okay. Yes, I think we've all walked into a kitchen before and said, it took in a big whiff and said, we have some ripe bananas in the kitchen. Okay, so I can't wait to hear what your yummy banana flavored treat is. Thank you for the report, Pearl.
Thank you, Alan.